Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, October 15th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course. So anyways, on the monthly time frame, if you saw my recent videos, you probably know, but I do have two scenarios. Scenario number one is that this is the end of a wave 5, and this is like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which would likely take out the low of wave 4, most likely either an A or a 1. Scenario number two is that this is a correction to the last 5 waves up, and this is an A, B, C, which would make 3 waves down to a percentage of this move up right here and then continue the uptrend. Notice that either scenario has impulsive, corrective, and impulsive, which is why I don't think it's important to know the difference until we get into this third wave. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, I think it's a wave A. I have it labeled as a wave A. Could be a wave 1, no. A, B, C up. I still think it's a wave B, but it could be a wave 2. Eventually it should go down for either a 3, which a 3 would just keep on stretching out with no break, or a wave C, which a wave C would go to a percentage of this move up right here and then break stretch to the upside, which would help show us that it really was a wave C and it was not a wave 3. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I mean the trend is definitely still up on the daily for sure. We are coming into the territory where it could possibly end a wave C at some point. Like I said, I think this is an A, I think this is a B, but it could be a 1 and a 2. If it breaks sorts into the downside, you possibly could start looking for sorts, but I mean it still looks like the trend is still up as of right now. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. Now on the 4 hour time frame, I was going to say that this break of structure would probably help confirm that the trend was over. But to me, it kind of looks like a 1, it looks like a 2, it kind of looks like maybe right here is the end of a wave 3. Especially looking at other yen pairs, it kind of looks like this could be an A, B, C of 4, and then possibly it bounces up again for a wave 5, and that would be the complete 5 waves of wave C. So be careful because the first breakdown may actually just be the wave C of wave 4. So taking it down to that 1 hour time frame, we really don't even have a break of structure yet, but looking at other yen pairs, I do think that this looks like a trend. I think that this possibly is 1, 2, 3 waves up, and I think this is making a trend. So if it does go down, if it does break below these lows, but then it breaks back up like that, that for sure would turn me into a buyer for sure, which I really am a buyer right now anyways. But if I see these 3-way patterns, I see a nice break to the upside, I would definitely take it as a long. Otherwise, if it breaks structure to the downside and you don't see this picture right here, after the break of structure, you should probably be looking for pullbacks to go short for the continuation of the downtrend, possibly for the wave C of wave 4 and the much, much higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.